Hey there fellows, what's up and welcome to this new video. So in this Temu edition, I'll be showing you how to track your recent orders on Temu. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I'll recommend you hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to check the Temu playlist that has been mentioned in the video description and the useful links equally mentioned down below. So I'll catch you right after the intro. So guys, if you just place an order on Temu, it is very easy to track it. Temu receives millions of orders monthly, if not daily or weekly, and it is just obvious that they offer a way for customers to track their orders in order to avoid any unfortunate situation. So Temu provides a tracker, an inbuilt tracker within their app that you can use to track your Temu orders. These are just the simple steps for you to track your Temu orders. So what you have to do is to log into your Temu account and go to your order section. In the your order section, you will view your order details, and in these order details you will find the track button next to your order that has already been shipped, as you can see on the screen. So after that, you just need to click on that and click on the order, and you will be shown your tracking details. And as of what you see on the screen, the order has been shipped. The order is being shipped by the USPS. So the USPS is the shipping partner that is actually handling your order. And from here you can copy this tracking number and check it on the USPS website, or just click on the track button to see the details from the USPS directly from the Temu app. So after clicking on that, you will be shown your confirmation and be taken to the USPS page within the Temu app, showing you more information on your shipment or your order that has already been shipped. As you can see here, order shipped and awaiting shipment, or all the different steps. And also, if you want, you can leave a review of your orders or of your tracking. That's just your sole description. So guys, that's how you get to track Temu orders, be it recent or old orders. If you don't want to track your Temu order directly from the Temu app, you can visit the USPS website and put in your tracking number to get even more details on your shipment. However, I would recommend you tracking your order through the Temu app, since it provides a very easier and simple way, especially for those who aren't used to navigating through complicated websites. So if you just need to know where your shipment is actually located and how it is actually being shipped, you just need to use the Temu app. But if you need even more information about your shipment, then I would recommend you copy the tracking number and check it on the USPS website. Okay guys, we've come to the end of our video. If you found it very helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button there and give it a thumbs up. Most importantly, check the video description for important and useful links mentioned in this video. So guys, I'll catch you on the next one.